my dear students. How do you feel after holidays? Yes, all are fine and happy, isn't it? Okay, good. Have you finished your last day's homework and worksheet? Have you finished your worksheet? Good. Now, I will show the homework review. Just verify your answer. Okay. Question. 3 into 4 divided by 6 plus 7, 10 minus 14 plus 6 minus 6 into 2 plus 6 minus 2 into 3 the whole bar. Isn't it? Now we can remove the bar using BODMAS rule. Now under the bar 6 minus 2 into 3. First preference for multiplication. So 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then we can remove the parenthesis bracket, isn't it? 6 into 2, 12. Now we can remove the curly bracket. Now here 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. Then 10 minus 8 is 2. Now 7 into 2. That bracket means into, isn't it? So 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. So 3 into 4 divided by 6 plus 14. Now 4 divided by 6. We can write 4 by 6. Now 3 into 4 by 6. 3 and 6 we can cut numerator and denominator. That numbers are in 3 table. So we can use 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 1 3 3 2s are 6. Then now here 3 and 3. So first we can write 6 and 4 using 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Then we can use 3 table. 3 and 3 we can cut, isn't it? First, now we get 2 plus 14 equal to 2 plus 14 is equal to 16, isn't it? Now this answer is 16, isn't it? Okay. Now can you say some even number? Can you say? Yes, what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Isn't it? Can you say any odd numbers? Yes, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. Isn't it? Okay, good. Now, even numbers are exactly divisible by 2, isn't it? Even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. How? 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, isn't it? That remainder is 0, isn't it? So, we can say all even numbers are multiples of 2 and factors of all even numbers, isn't it? This 2 is the factor of all even numbers, isn't it? Okay. For you don't know, isn't it? What is factors, what is multiples? Yes. Okay, students. Now, I will show one video. Just watch this video, okay?
Say we have a number 7. What are its multiples? How many multiples does it have? 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. This 7 is one of the multiples of 7. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 14 is another multiple of 7. The word says it all, a multiple. If a number is multiplied with 7, we get 7's multiple. And 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. And the list would continue forever. The multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28 and so on. This proves that the list of multiples of a number is infinite, whereas the number of factors of a number is always finite. The concept of multiples gives us a very important result. Let us find the multiples of 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. And the multiples of 2 continue. What's special about the multiples of 2? All the multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Yes, all the multiples of 2 are even. And what about the numbers which are not multiples of 2? The numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. So the numbers 1, 3, 7, 9 and so on are odd numbers. This concept of even and odd numbers is very important no matter which grade you're in. Multiples of 2, even. Non-multiples of 2, odd. And now we come to a very interesting question. How are factors and multiples related? Let's understand their relation with the help of a random number. Say 12. To find the factors of 12, we try writing it as all possible products of two numbers. 12 can be written as 1 multiplied by 12. It can be written as 2 multiplied by 6 and 3 multiplied by 4. These are the only possible combinations. Each of these numbers are factors of 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now observe the number 12 in relation with these numbers. 1 multiplied by 12 gives us 12. So 12 is a multiple of 1. 2 multiplied by 6 gives us 12. So 12 is also a multiple of 2. 3 times 4 gives us 12 and so on. What does this imply? The number 12 is a multiple of all its factors. Yes, this is always true. A number is always a multiple of all its factors.
Okay students, did you watch the video? Yes, I hope you all are got some ideas about multiples and factors, isn't it? Okay students, today we are going to study about playing with numbers. Chapter 4, playing with numbers. This chapter name is playing with numbers. Already we have learned some numbers. What are the numbers? Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, from integers, positive integers, negative integers, etc. Isn't it? Today is playing with numbers, factors and multiples. Okay? Factors and multiples. Do you know what is factors? The numbers that are multiplied to get a product are called the factors of the product. Once again, the numbers that are multiplied to get a product are called the factors of the product. For example, we can take in one number. Now, 12. Okay. Now, 12. We can use it one table. One table, 1 into 12. 1 into 12 equal to 12. Isn't it? Now, that the product or that the factors of the product. What are the factors of 12? Here, this is product. These two, the 1 and 12 are factors. Okay? These factors, multiply the factors, will get one product, isn't it? Now here 1 into 12 equal to 12. Now, what is the factor of 12? 1 and 12 is the factors of 12. Okay. Now, 2 table, 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. Isn't it? We can write one table using one table. Then using 2 table. 2 table, how many times? 6 times. 2 6 are 12. Isn't it? Now, here what are the factors? 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. Isn't it? 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. Now, 3 table. Using 3 table, 3 into 4. Isn't it? 3 into 4. 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. Isn't it? 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. Then 4 table. 4 table 3 times. Repeat. Isn't it? Repeat it. 4 times. 4 table 3 times. Then 5 table is possible? Not possible. Isn't it? Then again 6 table. 6 twos are 12. Isn't it? 6 table 2 times. Reverse. Then 6 of them 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These tables are not possible for 12. Isn't it? So then last one is 12 table. 12 table one time. So 1 into 12 is equal to 12. So here the factors of 12 are, what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Okay, therefore we can write, therefore the factors of 12 are, okay, the factors of 12 are, what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, this is the factors of 12. Are you clear what is factor? Then remember that the factors of a number will be equal to or less than the number itself. Now listen, this 12, isn't it? 12 is greater than 1. 1 is less than 12, isn't it? The factors of the number will be equal to or less than the number itself. Now here 12, isn't it? 12 is greater than 1. Otherwise we can write 1 is less than 12. Then 2 also less than 12. Then 3 less than 12. 4 less than 12. 6 less than 12. Then 12 equal to 12. Isn't it? Now remember that the number will be equal to the factors of the number, factors of a number. These are the factors. These factors of a number will be equal or less than the number itself. Less than the number itself. Okay. Here 12. What remaining all factors? Less than, isn't it? Less than the number itself. Otherwise equal. Not greater than. This is the point. Okay. Just you remember that then factors of the number will be equal to or less than the number itself. Are you clear what is factors? Okay. Now next one is multiples. What is multiples? Multiples means the product of a number and counting numbers are called the multiples of that number. Okay. The product of a number and counting numbers are called the multiples of that number. Now listen. Here multiples of 2. Okay. Multiples of 2 is equal to. Here we can write multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Now here 1 into 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. These are all multiples of 2. We can write 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So multiples of 2 is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10, 12, etc. Okay. Otherwise we can count. Here counting numbers. This is product. We can count. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. That numbers are multiples of 2. Are you clear? Okay. Now, this is multiples of 4. We can use 4 table. How can you find out multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, etc. These are all multiples of 4. Okay. Now we can write what are the multiples of 4? Multiples of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, etc. Okay. Otherwise, this is the product. Otherwise, we can add 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. Then 20 plus 4, 24. Then 28, etc. Okay, so 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 are multiples of 4. Now, multiples of 9. 9 means we can use 9 table, isn't it? Multiples of 9. Multiples of 9. Multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, isn't it? 9, 18, 27, 36, etc. Now then 5 9s are 45. Otherwise we can add. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 9, 36, etc. Okay. This is the single number we can use the table. Otherwise we can add. Suppose we have 100. What are the multiples of 100? Can you say? Multiples of 100. What are the multiples of 100? Equal to, multiples of 100 means first multiple is 100. Then 100 plus 100, 200. 200 plus 100, 300. Then 400. Then 500, etc. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, then 600, 700, 800, 900, then 1000. 1000 also multiples of 100. Then 1000, 12,000, 10,000 all multiples of 100. Are you clear? Okay. Now multiples means, what is multiples? Multiples means, suppose 24. 24 is the multiples of 8, isn't it? 24 is the multiples of 8. How can you find? Now, 24 divided by 8. 8 threes are 24. Now, remainder is 0. Now, we can divide it by 8. Remainder is 0. So, 8 is the multiple of 24. Okay. Suppose we didn't get remainder 0 means that is not multiples of that particular number. Okay. Now, listen here. 2 4s are 8. Isn't it? 8 is the multiple of 4. How? 8 divided by 4. 2 4s are 8. 0. Remainder is 0. So, this 4 is the 8 is the multiple of 4. Okay. Now, remember that the product of a number, the product of the multiples of a number that is equal to or greater than the number itself. Okay. But the factor of a number is equal to or less than the number itself. Now, multiples means the multiples of a number that is equal to or greater than the number itself. Okay. Now clear what is factor, what is multiples? Yes, this product is multiples, this factors, this 1 and 2, isn't it? This is factors. Okay. Factors and multiples. Are you clear? Example 1. 518 and 437 multiples of 19. How can we check? First we can divide 518 divided by 19. If you get remainder 0 means that is multiples of 19. Okay, can you check? Yes. 518 divided by 19. Now we can take first 2 digit. 19. How many times? 19 into 2. 9 2s are 18. 1 balance. 1 into 2. 2 plus 1. 3. 38. 3 times means we will get 57. But here 51. So we can take 2 times. So 2 into 19 is equal to 38. Now here take borrow. 11 minus 8 is, if you take borrow means 11 minus 8, isn't it? 11 minus 8 is 3. Now here 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we can write 18 down. Okay. Now 8, 19. Then how many times? 19 into 6 7 times. We can check. 9 7s are 63, 6 balance. 1 7 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13. 133, here 138. So we can write 7 times 133. Now here remainder is 5. We didn't get remainder 0. So this is not multiples of 19. 518 is. So we can write 518 is not multiples of 19. Because here remainder 5. Isn't it? Remainder is 5. So we can write here quotient q is equal to 27. Then remainder is equal to 5. Remainder is 5. So this is not multiples of 19. Then one more number is given 437. Now we can check 437 divided by 19. Okay. 437 divided by 19. 437 divided by 19. 19, how many times? 2 times, isn't it? What's the answer? 2 times 38. Remaining, here to here take borrow, here 3, here 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 57. Now here 19 into 3, 57, isn't it? So 27, 2 balance, 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 57. So here 3 17s are 57. Here we got remainder 0. So the 437 is a multiples of 19. Here remainder 0. Here quotient is equal to 23 and remainder is equal to 0. Here remainder 0. So we can write 437 is a multiples of 90. Okay, 437 is a multiples of 90. Are you clear? If you get remainder 0, that is the multiples of that particular number. Okay. Now, second question, 21 and 24, factors of 6804. Now we can check. Here for 6804 is divided by 21. Okay, divided by 21. 6804 is divided by 21. 21, 3 times means 63, isn't it? 21 into 3, 63, isn't it? So 3 times 63, then again 8 minus 3 is 5, then we can write this 0 down. Now 21, how many times? 2 times, isn't it? 2 21s are 42, isn't it? So we can write 2 times 42, then 10 minus 2 is 8, here 4. Now again we can take this 4 down, 84. Now 21 into 4, 84, isn't it? So 4 times 84. Here we got remainder 0. So we can write 21 is the factors of 6804. Okay, so we can write 21 is a factor of 6804. Now we can check 24. 6804 is divided by 24. Now we can divide 6804 divided by 24. Now 24 plus 24, 48. Isn't 2 times 48? Isn't it? 2 times 48. Then 0, 20. Again we can take this 0 down. Now 24, how many times? 4 times means 96. 24 into 8. 8 times 8 4s are 32. 3 balance. 8 2s are 16. plus 3, 9. 192. 8 times 192. Now here, subtracted 10 minus 2 is 8. Here 9, isn't it? 9 minus 9 is 0. So what's the remainder is 2, isn't it? Now we can take this 4 down. 84, isn't it? Now 24 into 84 means 24 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 1 balance, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 72. So this is 4 3 times 72. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. Here remainder didn't get 0. That remainder is 12. So this 24 is not a factor of 6804. Therefore, here remainder is equal to 12. So 24 is not a factor of 6804. Are you clear? How can we find out what is multiples of that particular number? We can divide it. That remainder is 0 means that is multiples or factors of that particular number. Are you clear? Today's homework, only one problem. Are 108 and 72 multiples of 36? Are 108 and 72 multiples of 36? This is homework, okay? We can see next class. Thank you.